Are you encountering Telegram error? This phone number is banned. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you the easiest way of how you can fix if your phone number is banned for Telegram account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the problem from your Android or iPhone, simply go ahead and open up any browser from your choice. I'm going to open up the Chrome browser, and from the Chrome browser, you just need to search for Telegram support. And once you've searched for Telegram support, you'll get to see the very first link, Telegram support. You just need to tap on this one, and you just need to describe your problem. First, you just need to describe the problem at the very top right here, and you just need to give your legal name, and also you just need to enter a valid email address, and you just need to enter the phone number with the country code. And once you have described your problem and fill up all the information, you just need to submit this request. And once you do that, you just need to wait 24 hours for the feedback, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. If you find this pretty helpful, guys, if you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.